Today's video is sponsored by Make Lemonade.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How's it going? Today's video is just going to be a traditional Christmas DIY. If this is your first time here, welcome and thank you so much for joining me. I would love it if you became part of the DIY family by subscribing to my channel and hitting that bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. If you guys haven't heard already, I am holding a giveaway in anticipation to hitting 100,000 subscribers on my channel. Even though it's not much, I do want to give a little bit back. So I decided to change things up just a little bit for the first winner. The first winner is going to be getting a $25 gift card to Dollar Tree, my very favorite AdTech Pro glue gun, and a pack of the Gorilla Glue Sticks, the giant glue sticks that will last forever. And then also one of my favorite wood burning tools. I use that for a lot of my projects. The second winner will get the gift card, the glue gun, and the glue sticks, and then 3 winners will be getting a Dollar Tree goodie box. So if you do want to enter this giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel and comment 100K, we on our way. So there was a little confusion on the last video because in the video I said 100K, we on our way, and then in the description I said 100K all the way. So either one works. Be subscribed and then comment that below. All right, let's get on to the DIY.
I'm going to start the DIYs with this Make Lemonade DIY holiday display, which is interchangeable with the seasons. It's really cute. So when you take it out, you're going to find this little box that has some lights. All you need for this are 2 AA batteries and voila, we have light. I know, ridiculous. Not the light, me. Alright, so if you guys can see, we have these little boards with all these cute cutouts. We have Christmas, we have Thanksgiving, fall, more Christmas, Halloween, and we also have some, I can't think of the word, Easter cutouts. All you have to do is gently pop these out of the frame, and when I say gently, I mean gently because some of these are kind of hard to pop out, and once you pop these all out, you can actually use the frame as a stencil. Cool, right? This would make a great gift or even a craft night with your family. So it's really easy. All you have to do is slide your little forms or cutouts right into those slits. You got to be somewhat gentle but firm. That way you don't accidentally break it because it is kind of tight to hold them on there firmly. And you can customize it however you want. You can paint it, add stickers, stain it. I am actually going to go with a natural look and adding a little bit of a rustic touch on there. So I'm just going to use some twine here and there, and then also some glitter. No, not glitter. What I meant was some greenery. You can add glitter if you want, by all means. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish this up and I'll show you guys the end result. I will have this Make Lemonade DIY display linked down below, so you guys make sure you head on over there if you are interested. Today I am all about easy, so you're going to need one of these Dollar Tree signs, some giant craft sticks from Walmart, and then also this Dollar Tree decal that says always be joyful. I'm only going to use the be joyful part on this one, and before I get it started, I'm just going to take this canvas thing off the frame to have my frame all by itself. The next step is easy. You just have to measure and cut out your craft sticks, and I started at the very edge of the frame and I used a total of 9 craft sticks. The rest is pretty much self-explanatory, so I'll let you guys enjoy. This is a 97-cent boxwood from Walmart, and I'm just going to use a few sprigs of it. So many years, too many tears on your pillow, on your pillow. Alright, for this one we're going to be using some more of the giant craft sticks, some Jenga blocks from Dollar Tree, and then also some of these rub-on transfers, and a little bit more of that boxwood and berries. On the first 2 craft sticks, I'm going to cut off the ends to make them, or give them a straight edge, and then I am going to shape them into a Christmas tree. So once those pieces are cut off, I'm going to glue them onto the 3rd popsicle stick, or craft stick, whatever you want to call it. Glue them on there, glue the top corner, and then cut off the ends on the bottom piece. Once you're done cutting, measuring, and gluing, you can see what it looks like. You can use either the front or the back. The front that's facing up on the video is the part that I'm going to use for my front. Now taking another craft stick and my Jenga blocks, I'm going to make the tree stand, and it's really super self-explanatory, so I'm going to let you guys watch and enjoy. If you do have any questions, make sure you leave them down below. I wish I would have left this with just the natural wood look just because of my other DIYs, but I actually did end up using some matte white spray paint to paint it. And you guys will see in a little bit that this is going to be white, and then I'll add my rub-on transfers on there.
For better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore. 7 years now on this boat, and we all know where we belong. Just wait. For our home to show on the horizon, soon we'll be there. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us.
So that's gonna be it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you leave me a thumbs up. Leave me your comments down below. 100K, we on our way. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.